Here, it doesn't even look like anything down there. There's no way it's right because that's taking you. You walk along the forest, you get there, I've done it. It's I know. What? What?
I get the valley through, might not get the old backside through.
I see this is where these mobility things come into play. All this mobility work. Jolly fall. Right? Oh. Hang on. Nice late. You worry about that. Yeah. Seems to be the easiest. You should have the apple. John's trying to get me back. Sorry, mate, sorry about that. I'm only thinking it too. John's trying to get me back.
Don't be springing that now.
No, I'm holding it fine. I wouldn't do that, Scotty. Got it?
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Don't flap through. Two there.
Sure, we'll get through here, will we not?
Yeah, underneath. I'm a dragging the tree along this bag. I'm not even trying under about the bags off again, I hope. Open up. Huh? It opens up. Yeah. Oh, it's a struggle. Yeah. Oh my goodness me.
Get through with the bag, alright.
Oh, one off that. There's another couple.
Finally, that seems to be the last obstacle standing in our way. We should find ourselves back on track here soon. The weather forecast gives dry and bright for most of today, but later on the wind is to pick up. It's giving gusts of 25 to 30 miles per hour. It was also given it to get quite cold later on, with temperatures getting down to -1 or -2, and taking in the wind chill, it could feel like -9. While we have all the correct gear for this time of year, we were prepared to bail should conditions get too bad. Let's see how we get on.
But Pansy, you are here, so we just keep going to here. Yeah. Sleeping a glow. Let's see where we end. Still no signal out.
Roughly 4 miles into the hike and you have a sharp incline that takes you up to Ben Crum Reservoir. Here you can see the extraordinary concrete dam, and if you're wondering how many steps it takes to get from the bottom of the dam to the top, it's 263. 263 painful steps. So this is us. This is our spot, our home for the night. Now let's get set up. Now that we're all set up, it was time to get a bit of lunch. Then we were going to go and search for a secret waterfall, which we believe to be in the area somewhere. The problem is, with the long hike in, some of the old bodies are sore, and the muscles could do with a good stretching.
Seeing your sub, you're on the sideline there. I'm ready. Get me on. Run past the manager.
Some of the older guys needed more stretching than others.
Running by him and all.
There's a lot of talk here about getting a shower once we get to the waterfall. Not me though, definitely not.
Because I've been under one before and I'm here. Oh, I'm strong.
Time for one last stretch before we set off.
Stretch back, right, and then
That must be it.
what?
That must be it. you seen that or heard of it? The GAA catfish?
No.
No?
No.
5 or 6 different characters, and online they were interacting with each other. It made him think she was real.
She was real.
Turns out, the girl who's making him the fry
Was the
was
girl?
the catfish.
Wow.
It's- Because of the rain, we decided to cook dinner in our own individual tents. And as you will see, I'm having some issues with my gas. Any food going, lads? Oh. With me out of gas, Big John kindly donated me some of his, but as you'll see again, I don't think I'm supposed to eat tonight. As I was munching away on my raw broccoli, I suddenly had another idea. Oh, I'd like to hear that sizzle.
Yep.
What's the old saying, John?
Never beat.
Never beat.
Nice, Scotty.
Yeah.
Good lad. I was worried about you. What you were going to eat, you know.
After dinner, the boys had a surprise for me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, wee Scotty. Happy birthday to you. The blue out. Happy birthday to you. Pull him out quick. Oh.
This is it first.
Yep.
You on a bit, John?
Oh, what? Behave yourself. Here's something. Really nice. Thank you.
Another great camp was coming to an end. Thankfully on this occasion the weather forecast got it wrong, but it was still starting to get quite cold, so it was time for bed.